Experience make a difference. I am already a serious asthma patient. So many treatment I am trialed. Yes, I got result. So that I am sharing with you. Please watch my full class of this video, and if you are not finding any solution, please again and again watch same this video, then you will get a result in curing asthma. I classify asthma in 3 levels. One is a seriously attacked asthma patient. The other one, sometimes feeling asthma. The third one, asthma like feelings, asthma like problems. So it's the third one. Actually, that may be any cold attack or any dust irritation, etc. etc. Most of you may be the same problem of climate change problem, any fever attack, any dust area, polluted area. In case of that, a treatment of hospital or your own remedy may be result a asthma problem finish and you may be happy. But some people feel facing occurring with asthma, feeling asthma in some times. In that case, you need to take little bit care. You need a treatment. So you need to consult a good asthma specialist doctor. Today, so many medicines are available, and that will cure your asthma condition. First, I said a serious asthma patient. They also need a good treatment and a regular treatment required to recover from that condition and come to the rarely attacking asthma. Then after you can seriously remove this asthma. Asthma maybe come back again because most of the asthma is a tendency of brain. Some asthma attack is due to the lungs inside there is a blockage. I know patients are very difficult to find out what is the real problem, but an experienced one, they maybe find out. Maybe the fault of uneven function of brain or uneven function of a heart or uneven function of a lungs or a weakness of a body or your digestive system problem. Everything is related to asthma because healthy one also get asthma and unhealthy one very easy to attack by asthma. Asthma is only a situation, but sometimes it is a defect of your lungs or a defect of heart or a defect of your brain, etc. etc. Even in your brain cells with swelling, you get a difficulty in controlling your heart and lungs. So what happens? Improper function of heart and lungs give a tendency of low breathing that also produce asthma. If you are going to entering in a airtight room, sometimes you get asthma. If you are going to a cold climate or a hot climate, you feel asthma. These all are because of the tendency and our body reactions. And some people with immunal problem. I mean, some peoples have an allergy complaint and they producing cold attack based sputum, and this sputum may be blocked your lungs or any nose, may make a difficulty of breathing. This difficulty of breathing, you get a sneezing and a difficulty of breathing, get a tight situation with you. In that case, you need a preliminary work to control that. I mean, before attacking that one, you need to slowly remove that cough and cold. There are so many ideas for that. That is my experience. I am saying, not a doctor. I am only experienced talks with you. What I am doing, I am actually a cold attacked one. Every time I am getting cold, maybe 1,000 or 10,000 people, only 1 or 2 guys are having this kind of allergies. So this cold sputum cough based asthma, better to take a soft drink to make an energy in the body, or taking a tea sometimes help you. And the best way I found is nebulization. This kind of patients must to take a nebulizing machine in your home and do with that will dilute your cold and you can remove that cold easily from your body. Sometimes you know what is happening, that sputum will be automatically dry due to the climate changing, and that is keeping your nose as a thick layer of gum like a product that very difficult to remove from the nose or remove from any cough attack. You try to do more cough, but that will not come out. So what you do, nebulization is very good one. Sometimes some people are doing heat treatment. Sometimes some people doing with rubbing with Vicks. That also beneficial, but not much more. You can do that also to remove that cold. And one thing, somebody using drops of liquid type medicines, these kinds of activities doing a difficulty, what after doing this sometimes more cough and cold block is happening. You will be in danger. So you trying to removing your sputum from your nose, be careful. And today some inhalers or doctors are giving is very helpful to you. In case you feeling any blockage, suddenly you need to use inhaler. Inhaler will expand your system and you will get a breath. The best way, if you have a money, go to the hospital and take an attempt of treatment for cold attack patient. And one more thing, this cold attack patient working with any dust area or a dirt area, that dirt will be stick on that sputum and you get more difficulty in breathe. So this kind of allergic patient, better don't work with any dirt or dust areas. Always keep it clean. That is the best way. Some people every time feeling a breathing problem. That is a different type of people, and after getting any cold attack or same kind of last I said matter, they feel more difficulty. My experience, I am going to say that patients may be a blockage in the lungs. Entering, there is some tube-like area. That area is maybe shortened passage. For that, doctor give you good medicines now. In some type of inhaler that will remove that shortening products and give a airflow better. If you feeling that, you try to use inhaler frequently, that described by doctor only. That is a good way you can remove that and you can get a easy flow of air to the lungs. So you are understood what is the matter, that easy flow give you the result. But that type of medicines frequently using dangerous to your health also. That may be result a allergic complaint in body or some maybe some nervous system difficulty also you feel. One more thing, what a danger patient, that is very important. They need to use maybe every day, depend on the doctor's suggestion. That is good one for a asthma patient. And one very light using product also, if you ask, they give you. That the inhaler also very good for your health. And the main thing, if you are using inhaler, that is only very less micro quantity only medicines you are taking, comparing with taking tablets. So inhaler is mostly safer usage, and it is good for your health. Which kind of food is taking, and you check out my videos about asthma. Maybe you can find more with this kind of knowledge. Once again, I given you this because my videos maybe you are not watched. 2 years back I prepared 2 videos and I uploaded to the YouTube, and still it is continuing means, and it is in the front line in YouTube. Health lessons in asthma. You check out asthma health lessons asthma. You check there my video, you can see that video.